As we look back at the past year and head into the American Heart Association's second century of impact, we want to thank you, our volunteers, supporters, and collaborators. Thank you for all that you do to move our mission forward. You are the heart of our organization. Because of supporters like you, the American Heart Association has funded more than $5.7 billion in heart disease and stroke research since 1949, fueling breakthrough discoveries and saving millions of lives. This past year alone, we invested nearly $16 million in 51 scientific research projects right here in Los Angeles. Imagine the promise they hold for the future. 9 out of 10 people who experience cardiac arrest outside of the hospital die. In LA County, we empowered more than 250,000 people by teaching them life-saving CPR and hands-only CPR. We are building a nation of lifesavers, one community at a time. And we're turning 22 million bystanders around the world into lifesavers each year. We are working to identify and remove barriers that make it hard for many in our community to achieve a full and healthy life. In Los Angeles, nearly 2 million adults have high blood pressure. Working with local health centers and community-based organizations, we have reached more than 850,000 residents in communities of highest need with health education, resources, and equipment to help improve their blood pressure and reduce their risk for cardiovascular disease. By placing blood pressure kiosks at a place of worship and on a college campus, we are making it easier for tens of thousands of community members to check and monitor their blood pressure. We believe in the right to healthy food for all people. But the reality is, 1 in 4 LA County residents has limited access to the food they need to live their best lives.
Can I have one more for my mom?
This year, we fiercely advocated to preserve funding for California's Nutrition Incentives Program that helps thousands of our LA neighbors stretch their food dollars and purchase more fruits and vegetables. Through our work with healthcare agencies, food banks, and community partners, we screen people for nutrition insecurity and refer them to much-needed resources. Our free healthy food outlets, supported by local sponsors, serve more than 1,200 Angelenos monthly. We want all children to grow to their full potential. In the last school year alone, our Kids Heart Challenge and American Heart Challenge school programs reached more than 96,000 students with activities and resources that taught them how to keep their bodies and minds healthy and strong. The American Heart Association believes that everyone deserves access to high-quality health care no matter where they live. We are working with 52 hospitals in Los Angeles and Ventura counties to improve outcomes for heart disease and stroke patients through consistent adherence to the latest research-based guidelines for treatment and care. This work has benefited countless people in our community. None of the progress we've made in the fight to end cardiovascular disease would be possible without you. For all that you do, we are deeply grateful. But our work is not done yet. Building on our 100 years of impact, we will continue to carry the torch forward as we advance health and hope for everyone, everywhere.